Hello and welcome to this video series on Sonic OS X. My name is Rakesh and I am a technical marketing engineer at SonicWall. Today we will look at an overview of Sonic OS X and understand how it will help enterprise customers build and manage complex networks with ease. Sonic OS X is a platform built ground up with several components re-architectured to simplify configuration and maintenance. Access control and security services are at the heart of any firewall deployment, and Sonic OS X is designed to simplify it. We've combined layer 3 to layer 7 rules into a single rule called a security rule. Rules can be visualized and validated as they are being created. Rule visualization reduces the learning curve for administrators who are not familiar with Sonic OS ecosystem and help them create and deploy access control rules by displaying the traffic flow in a pictorial format. Rule validation is a very important feature in scenarios where the firewall is managed by multiple administrators. With rule validation, administrators can look for duplicate rules, shadowed by rules, and shadowing rules for the rule that they're actually creating and make sure that it does not affect the existing rule base and then create the rule. Now let's take a look at the new and improved Sonic OS X graphical user interface. Firewall management is broken down into four major sections: device, network, object, and policy. And among them, the objects and the policy tab contain the majority of the re-architectured components. Now let's take a look at the policy tab. The policy tab consists of three main sections: rules and policies, which houses the entire rule base; capture ATP, which has settings for capture ATP services; and endpoint security, which has settings related to capture client enforcement. The Rules and Policies tab houses all the configurable policies and also a Settings tab. This Settings tab helps administrator configure high-level functions for each security service. Let's take a quick look at the Security Policy tab. The Security Policy tab houses the security rule, which is the new re-architectured rule that combines layer 3 to layer 7 rules into just one singular rule. We will look at the individual policies and how to set them up in a separate configuration video. Now let's move on to the objects section. Objects are named collections that represent a specific network, service, a set of URIs, or a list of countries. The Match Objects tab consists of all objects that are used for traffic matching. Action profiles are an important new feature added to Sonic OS X. In the security action profile, the administrator can configure bandwidth management, antivirus, IPS, content filter, all under one profile. Moving on to the network tab. The network tab is used for establishing connections, for example, configuring interface, creating VPNs, creating remote VPN, and so on. Moving on to the device tab. Now, the device tab consists of firewall settings, user configuration, high availability related settings, and so on. Now let's take a look at the home tab. The home tab houses the dashboard, which can be used to monitor system resources, network interfaces, system usage, license availability, and to see if the feature has been enabled or not. The home tab also has capture ATP related charts that display how many files are inspected and the verdicts. Also has a policy overview chart, which gives you an overview of all the policies that you have, the used unused ratio, active inactive ratio. In this video, we've looked at the overview of Sonic OS X and some of its new features. In the upcoming videos, we'll be diving deeper into each tab and also look at the configuration. Thank you for watching.